Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to soft reset it, and all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press it and keep pressing. As you can see, we've got this reboot option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing the power button, and we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. Keep pressing the button. We've got also the developer's logo. So now we can release the finger, and our device will be rebooted in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up.